In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn any language with these ChatGPT prompts. This method is straightforward and flexible, allowing you to dive into a new language using the power of AI with just a few clicks. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser and head to Google. Once you're there, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar. You'll want to find the official ChatGPT website, so look for the link that seems to be from a reputable source connected to ChatGPT. Click on it, and it should take you to the home page where all the magic happens. Now, you're at the starting point where you're going to use ChatGPT to assist in your language learning journey. Here, you'll need to think about the specific language you want to learn. It could be anything from Spanish to Mandarin, French to Arabic. The choice is entirely yours, so pick one that excites you or one that you need to pick up for work, travel, or personal goals. Once you've decided on the language, it's time to type in your first prompt. It's as simple as saying something like, "I'm eager to learn language. Could you assist me with the basics?" Be clear about what you're seeking from the learning session. You might want to focus on conversational phrases, common vocabulary, or perhaps grammar structures. Tailor your prompt to your current level and objectives. After typing your prompt, you'll see a submission button. Give that a click. This is where ChatGPT begins to craft its responses based on your inquiry. It's like having a personal language tutor available at any moment without needing to schedule a class, and it can cater directly to your pace and style of learning. Take the answers and suggestions provided by the AI and start integrating them into your learning routine. A good tip here is to engage actively with the content provided by the AI. This could be by writing down new phrases and testing yourself, or even by speaking aloud to practice pronunciation. Always remember that repetition is key to retention when it comes to language learning. Another handy approach is to have regular check-ins with ChatGPT. You can return to the AI with new questions or requests for further explanation of anything you didn't quite grasp the first time around. It's a dynamic tool that can help you with your progress, serving up vocabulary lists, grammar exercises, and conversation practice at any moment. So there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to dive into language learning right from your computer. With ChatGPT by your side, you'll find that learning a new language becomes much more accessible and enjoyable. Just remember, practice and consistency are your best friends in this journey. Happy learning, and I can't wait to hear about your language successes.